Guruji, guys, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा, guys, do subscribe to my channel. आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करा? Sure. Thank you. So guys, आज एक और सेटअप है. So गाड़ी आई है लुधियाना से. क्या लुधियाना से गाड़ी आई है? हम आपके पास आए.
आप हमारे पास आए.
कितना किलोमीटर है दिल्ली से?
Around 330 kilometers.
So today we traveled, guys. I just want to बहुत टाइम से मेरे को क्वेरीज आ रही थी कि आप लोकेशन पे नहीं जाके शूट कर रहे, आप नहीं जा रहे. Guys, I was little bit occupied with my some installation, so अब थोड़ा सा फ्री हुआ हूँ. I am coming with multiple different installation in different cities, Bangalore, Mumbai. मेरी सारी सीरीज आएंगे. I just gonna show you these different setup. But आज हम एक different city आए हैं. Different कुछ अलग था, अलग काम था. High end equipment set हो रहे थे. So definitely I just want to showcase it to you. So guys, मैं मेरे सब्सक्राइबर बताएंगे हम exactly कहाँ पर हैं, इनका क्या नाम है और कैसा रहा इनका setup. So your name please.
Hi guys, my name is Pradeep Singh, and first of all, thank you so much for coming over here, coming onto my location and doing the job just to my satisfaction.
Thank you so much. So Delhi से कितना किलोमीटर दूर है सर ये?
I guess 330 kilometers from the heart of Delhi.
Okay. So 350 kilometers.
We can say.
एक और चीज़. On our first interaction, you transferred around 1.5 lakh rupees to me. कहीं डर नहीं था कि ये fraud भी तो हो सकता है?
I mean, you know, you have a hunch when you're talking to the right person that whether or not you're talking to the right person or this person is taking you in circles. The spot on recommendations, spot on prices, I did not have to negotiate.
आपने trust me, you're the first one जिसने rate भी नहीं पूछा किस product का क्या है. I just give you a list of the product
exactly.
and you transferred. ये भी 1% हो सकता था कि कोई fraud हो.
I mean, होने को तो सब कुछ हो सकता है, but you know, when your gut tells you that okay, I'm dealing with the right person.
And we committed a timeline that we will be coming on this day. क्या हमने delay करा?
Actually, you preponed your visit. If you recall, we were talking about getting it done like within a week or two, and then by 25th we'll get it tuned.
Right.
And day before yesterday, I received a call from you guys that we'll be coming to your location tomorrow. I was like, amazing.
Thank you so much. So guys, we traveled 350 kilometers from Delhi for this kind of installation. It's a complete high-end installation. I'm going to showcase you क्या-क्या equipments आज लगे हैं. It's a complete rainbow setup. Sir, आपको rainbow के बारे में पता है? Because लुधियाना से मेरे को बहुत queries आती है rainbow के बारे में, Blam के बारे में. ये एक नया brand है. People are like trusting it from the last 2-3 years. But अभी तक मैंने कोई showcase नहीं करा था. मेरी videos भी आपने नहीं देखी थी. So it was a complete new brand for you. कैसा रहा rainbow?
It was amazing. It was simply amazing. One thing, I am an audiophile myself, so I can tell you that most of the quality brands are not known to the common people.
True, agree.
I mean, mass brands like, I mean, I don't want to say that any of the product is bad, but mass brands like Bose and all are actually very overhyped compared to the value proposition that they provide.
True.
Compared to that, Rainbow, the build quality, the sound quality, you can see it in the product. When the brand is not talking about marketing jargon and is talking about real good specifications, what kind of sensitivity, what kind of
the frequency from the tweeters, the frequency from the Twitter.
When they are talking about that and they're taking a lot of pride in that, you know that you're dealing with a good brand there.
Right. So अब हमने approx हमने 1.80 का setup कर दिया. क्या ये worth it था?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I mean, that was the only thing that I hated about my car, but I guess it's probably going to be the thing that I love about my car.
तो ऐसा तो लगा कि waste कर दिया आज पैसा.
Oh no.
ठीक है गाइस, अब अंदर की तरफ चलते हैं, आपको इंस्टॉलेशन दिखाऊंगा। हमने एक एक चीज़ आज कुछ नए प्रोडक्ट हैं, जैसे मोराल की डैम्पिंग। देयर आर मल्टीपल डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर बीन इंट्रोड्यूस इन दिस वीडियो। सो एक एक चीज़ के बारे में बताऊंगा, अंदर दिखाऊंगा क्या क्या हमने लगाया है। अब क्विकली वील जस्ट मूव इनसाइड एंड देखते हैं हम आगे। We are installed the Morel damping. That's the 2.1 Gold series. So again guys, I get a lot of questions कि आप वाइब्रो फिल्टर ही दिखाते हैं और कोई ब्रांड और नहीं दिखाते, just because कि till now the one of the finest brand was vibro filter, yes, and that too economical. Now we are like, as there we are installing a premium audio in this car. We are doing the Morel damping. That's the 2.1 series, very beautifully designed, and if you see the appearance, looks बहुत अच्छे हैं. I definitely, इससे कोई मैटर नहीं करता लुक से. If you talk about the thickness, it's very good. The quality of the holding, the quality of the aluminium foil, it's very good. Along with that, if you see the boot tile, it's come with a lifetime warranty, so that's the best part. And along with that, if you see the premiumness, like again मैं एक बारी damping भी दिखाऊंगा आपको. So guys, this is the damping. This is the beautifully designed Morel damping 2.1 series. This comes in a pack of 10. So again, एक pack लग चुका है अभी तक. This is the we talk about what are the benefits: noise reduction, distortion reduction, vibration reduction, enhanced bass, thermal isolation, 3 layers, and the series is 2.1.10. So the MRP is of this particular box is 11,000 rupees for 10 sheets, but again it comes with a very good discount. So you can WhatsApp me approx 800 rupees sheet हमें पड़ती है, but definitely the results are very good. So एक बारी पूरा मैं सेटअप के बारे में बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या हम कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स मूव टू द ऑडियो पार्ट. सो आज हम मोराल की फ्लोर डैम्पिंग भी कर रहे हैं इसमें. सो दिस इज़ अ 4.5 mm डैम्पिंग. इसमें हमारा बोटाइल भी आ जाता है, फोम भी है, एंड इट्स अ 3 layer डैम्पिंग विच इंक्लूड्स अ फॉयल, बोटाइल as well as the foam. So the entire size of the thickness of this damping is 4.5 mm. So अभी पूरा फ्लोर हो जाएगा, मैं आपको आगे फ्लोर होकर रिजल्ट दिखाता हूँ. So guys, this is the first installation. I'm just showing it to you. We have done multiple installation of this particular component, but on my channel it's the first review of this particular component. मेरे को बहुत मैसेज आते हैं कि Soundline Pro. Like guys, the reason why I haven't showed this particular components in my channel because this is really like on an expensive side. So आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. We always use this kind of this component in a high-end installation. ग्राउंड ज़ीरो के कंपैरेटिव है क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी नियो मैग्नेट्स आते हैं. सो एक सीरीज़ है यूरेनियम, उसको कंपटीशन के लिए बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. सो इंट्रोड्यूसिंग रेनबो साउंडलाइन प्रो. सो इफ़ यू सी द मैग्नेट, इट हैज़ अ नियो मैग्नेट. आप बोलेंगे कैसा साइज़ है. सो this is a new technology. You see so finally the installation has been done. You can see the neatness, the cleanliness, the kind of work we did. पूरा टाई बेल्ट से टाई है. अगर बात करें पावर केबल्स की, सो दीज आर द पाथ वी हैव ड्रॉन फॉर द एम्पलीफायर. ड्राइवर सीट के नीचे हमने नाकामी. सो देख सकते हैं कैसे हमने नीटनेस से ये इंस्टॉल करा है. एंड फाइनली all the 4 components are being driven on the 4 channel. So you can see the result, the neatness, the fit and finish, and बहुत अच्छा result है. The 100 RMS per channel we getting a very good power at very economical price. All the 4 components are being driven on this 4 channel amplifier. So very good settings available on this amplifier. Very decent HPF frequency response is very good on this particular amplifier. So बाकी आगे चीज़ें होती हैं. मैं एक बारी ट्यून हो जाएगा DSP में आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे हम. We have installed the Rainbow 6 channel DSP and 40 RMS for 4 channels. So very decent, and the best part about this particular DSP is you get a BT streaming. So बहुत अच्छा result है. I have installed in multiple setups and the results, the output is like out of the box. So अभी एक बारी पूरी complete installation हो जाएगी, मैं आगे का result दिखाऊंगा. But for now you can see कि आप the 4 components has been installed in the 4 doors. देख सकते हैं neatness, हर door में same हमने placement करी है. So the entire placement has been done. जो ये leftover wire रह गया, this is for the Twitter. So once the door pad will be installed, ये door pad में जाएगा. The best part about this particular speaker wiring is you get a double jacket for the wiring. So if you see, the one jacket has been stripped off for the tweeters, and अभी ये second layer भी इसकी strip होगी, then ये speaker tweeters के अंदर जाएंगे. Along with that, the waffle have been installed in the 4 doors. So मेन एडवांटेज ये भी होता है इसका कि डोर जो एम्प्टी स्पेस है उसमें साउंड घूमे ना, एंड ऑल द शैटर नाउ साउंड एंड ऑल द साउंड विल गो इनटू द कैबिन. सो जो स्पेस होती है वो एलिमिनेट करता है और सारी की सारी एक यूनि प्रोपोर्शनल में एक डायरेक्शन बनाता है, एंड इट विल गो टू द कैबिन. Along with that, the underseat has been placed in the 3rd row. We haven't placed under the 1st or the captain row. We have placed it under the 3rd row so that एक अंदर पूरे कार में एक atmosphere अच्छा बने. So we have installed the Nakamichi 10 inches underseat. Till now we haven't heard the output of this particular underseat, but now once everything will be installed, we'll ask the feedback from the customer and उसके बाद जानेंगे कि कैसा इसका रिजल्ट है, क्या ये रिकमेंडेबल है या नहीं है. हमने फ्रंट सीट पे इसलिए कुछ नहीं लगाया, दैट द रीज़न बिकॉज इन स्मार्ट हाइब्रिड कार्स वी गेट दिस बैटरी बॉक्स. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी कैन नॉट इंस्टॉल एनीथिंग अंडर दिस सीट. सो फ्रंट रो में हमारा लगा है, वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड the amplifier. फ्रंट में हमने DSP लगाया, and in the 3rd row we have installed the subwoofer. So the entire installation has been done. Now it's just that the tuning of the amplifier is left over. So एक बारी ये बस ये ट्यून हो जाए, we'll pack this. ये देख सकते हैं, this is the 4.5 Morel floor damping. So बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट है, and definitely it will eliminate the road noise of the outside road noise. So बाकी आगे चीज़ें होंगी, मैं आपको आगे दिखाऊंगा, कोई रिजल्ट दिखाऊंगा और कस्टमर रिव्यू.
Girls with their nails done now. girls with their nails done now.
आपने देखा होगा कैसे हमने आज इंस्टॉलेशन करी, कैसा आउटपुट था आज एनसीएस पे. गाइस अब आपको बताना है वाज इट अ वर्थ इट सेटअप या लगा कि एक वेस्ट ऑफ मनी था. गाइस अगेन मैं ये जो भी आज आपको दिखाया है द इंस्टॉलेशन वी डू एट अ डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. सो इन मल्टीपल लोकेशन माय इंस्टॉलर्स आर ट्रैवलिंग, वो इंस्टॉल करते हैं, बट वेर एवर माई नीड इज़ रिक्वायर्ड आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू गाइज. सो अगेन कुछ एक फीडबैक देना चाहेंगे मेरे कस्टमर्स को, मेरे सब्सक्राइबर को, कि the efforts we put in for this audio setup, is it worth it?
Oh, absolutely. My experience has been amazing. I mean, amazing would be an understatement, I would rather say.
Okay.
Your team of installers was pretty professional. I mean, I was amazed by the speed of work. You came in.
So we came by 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning.
5:30 over here, and your team was like right onto the business, opening up the panels, getting the stuff done. And I was pretty amazed, like, wow, these guys have not spent even a single minute wasting time talking about shitty stuff, and you were right onto the business. आपने काम फटाफट एकदम से सारा काम, and it was up to the expectation. You were suggesting me things, suggesting me improvements up to the last moment. I was not like upselling stuff. So kudos to you for being absolutely honest and transparent in your dealings. Yeah. And I would strongly recommend, like surely say is my like level of experience. My experience was truly amazing. I can go to the extent that to say that, I mean, मुझे अगर मैं दिल्ली छोड़ूं बैंगलोर या मुंबई में भी होता तो that kind of comfort would not have been there कि मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ, मेरे घर पे ही आप आए, such an amazing dealing, and हमने सारा काम घर बैठे हो गया. I mean, market में amazing installers होंगे, हैं भी, and I'm sure they would be loaded up with work because amazing installers कम ही मिलते हैं. Plus मुझे वहाँ जाकर एक दिन पूरा अपना खराब करना पड़ता. 10-11 बजे पहुँचता, शॉप ओपन होती है. Here I was able to save my entire day. My energies were saved. So again, thanks to you guys.
Thank you so much. So guys, इसी के साथ अगर आपकी भी कोई queries है, if you want to get the work done at your home location, we are here for you. So again, एक और चीज़, अगर आपको काम कराना है या नहीं कराना, that's a secondary thing. If you want any knowledgeable information, any information regarding audio, I'm here to help you. So guys, इसी के साथ अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, आपको लगा हो knowledgeable video, do like my video, do share my video, and do subscribe to my channel, Automobile Guruji. Signing off, bye bye.